Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 45. In 1553, Lady Jane Grey's life took a dramatic turn when she was declared Queen of England, only to have her reign last a mere 9 days. Born into nobility and highly educated, Jane was named successor by Edward VI in a bid to keep the throne from Mary Tudor. However, Jane's time as queen was cut short by Mary's supporters, leading to her imprisonment and execution at just 16 or 17 years old. Lady Jane Grey's story is a tragic tale of a young, intelligent woman ensnared in the deadly politics of Tudor England, remembered as the 9 Days Queen. Her short reign and early death illuminate the perilous nature of Tudor succession and the harsh realities faced by women in power during that era.